Are you tired of going to work yet? Do you work hard all day for a not so fair salary? What if I told you that you could get out of your chair as a millionaire today? If you think this sounds like a fantasy, this video will convince you it's not. My name is Stacy. I have been making money for 4 years by trading just a few hours daily on binary options. I have assembled a whole team of professional traders. We have a total of 7 people with 30 years of experience. We have been searching for the best strategies for a long time and we show them to you. The strategy I'm about to show you is experienced unprecedented popularity. It's a gold rush of our time. All amateur traders on all possible trading platforms are now discussing divergence. Everyone is trying to find it and make money on it. At the same time, they forget how rare and complex divergence is. For those who don't know what we're talking about, I will explain that divergence is a market condition in which the price and classic trading indicators diverge. The trader who is the first to notice the divergence can predict the price movement in advance, sometimes faster than anyone else on the market. But if the divergence you find turns out to be false, you risk losing your deposit very quickly. But how to look for it? There are very reliable tools for finding divergence. You can look for it using MACD, CCI, and stochastic. But today, we will use the most reliable indicator for this purpose, the RSI. We're on the Pocket Option Exchange. Let's connect the indicator right away and switch to the higher time frame. Today, we will not look for hidden divergences, but focus on the type A divergence. This divergence is the easiest to spot, and the chance of it being false is minimal. I have already scrolled through several currency pairs and found what we were looking for. When looking for divergence, you should focus on the extremes first because they show the price direction. The extremes on the indicator going flat, but what do we see on the chart? An upward trend. It's easy to spot, no doubt about it, and this is a clear signal that sellers are rapidly gaining strength in the market. The price is still not moving very confidently, but the general upward trend is visible. The 30 seconds expiration time that we have switched to today allows us to mute all small price fluctuations and focus only on the overall price movement. And so our $300, which we started with, turned into $576. I think the result is perfect and we were lucky to find the divergence so quickly. Let's switch between currency pairs and try to find new entry points. Divergence is a rare phenomenon in general and it is absurd to trade only on it. Signals for opening deals are rare here. It is always helpful to support the search for divergence with additional strategies. I have a gift for you, the highest performing trading strategies in 2024 for free. You can get them by following the link in the description. Be one of dozens of our satisfied subscribers on our Telegram community. Invaluable information for beginners is posted there every day. Decades of experience are in one place. It contains everything you might need to know about trading on the stock exchange. So follow the link in the description and join us. It's free. As I said, focusing on divergence alone is a losing strategy. Moreover, when RSI provides a lot of high-quality entry points without it, we should focus on the levels of 30 and 70. Now we are looking at the chart that has been rising for a long time and has now reached the level of 70. That indicates a price reversal and I'm supposed to take advantage of it. I just want to wait for the first red candle. Here it is. You must always be careful with RSI signals. Sometimes the price haven't reached one of the pivot points maintains the trend. Additional indicators are often used to predict such dangerous spots, but I want to show you how RSI works today. So I will use it only. Moreover, even when working independently, the indicator has a low chance of error, about 6-7%, and we were right. The indicator didn't let us down. We have another $276 in our accounts. I wonder how long it will take us to earn $1,000. I think we can do it in about 15 minutes. I tried to find a new divergence for you but didn't find it. But look what we have here. This is a treasure trove. The RSI line has broken through the 70 level again, and this is a signal for a drop. And we can already see the first red candles. Let's not waste a second and open for the downside. This time the price is falling quite rapidly. We don't have to worry about the outcome anymore. Everything is already evident. Now, buyers are still trying to reverse the upward movement of the price, and the chart has begun to twitch. But I doubt anything will change. These are the last few seconds, and it's just a fairy tale. We turned $300 into $555. Isn't that magic? Let's look for something else interesting. And the same thing happened again, only this time it was the opposite. The indicator line has broken the 30 level. The price is about to start moving up. That is our chance to earn $1,000. Again, we put $300 into the price reversal. Let's get started. The chart hasn't yet had time to react to being in the oversold zone, and it's still moving down. I don't like this. Perhaps today you will see my rare loss. But no, the chart has turned around. But will the upward movement be stable? I'm not sure. No, just look at this. The price hovers around the transaction limits. I'm not worried. But it's getting dangerous, and in the last second the deal closes successfully. We have the money in our pockets, plus $276. In total, we already have $1,083 in our account. And this is a perfect result. Moreover, in 15 minutes. But this video is about divergence, and it would be a shame not to find another example of this phenomenon. I will try to find one. Look at this graph. Many of you have already thought that this is divergence, but are you sure? I'm not. Maybe it is a divergence, but it looks more like wishful thinking to me. The difference between a chart and an indicator here is so insignificant that you can't even imagine what's going on. Putting money here would be a mistake. And if you look closely, you can see that the chart is not reversing. Opening a deal for 30 seconds, you would inevitably lose money. If you want to eliminate the risk of such mistakes, then immediately look at the description below the video. There you will find a link to my VIP community. It's free, although the number of seats on it is limited. Every week, I hold a trading marathon on it, where I earn $5,000 live. It eliminates the need to read indicator signals correctly and understand the market logic. All you have to do is follow my lead and earn money. Follow the link and maybe you will be the one to join this week's marathon. Oh, look what I found. We are going to end this video beautifully. Take a look at the last two extremes of the chart. The price is moving up. Now drop your gaze to the indicator. And what's that? That's right, divergence. Clear and reliable, there is no doubt about it. We will open for growth, but I decided to increase the investment amount. We will play with virtually everything we have earned today. $1,000. Let's open a deal. The price is starting to move quite dangerously. It has already dropped below the transaction limit, but I'm sure the situation will improve soon. It quickly rolled back. leaving behind a high shadow, but it made us realize that the market trend had indeed changed. And it was not a false signal. The price is going up. We can relax. The last seconds. We have just earned $2,003, friends. We did a great job today. We earned enough money for a month in less than 20 minutes. That is the result of a successful strategy and trading experience. You can find even more successful strategies in Telegram. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. And write how much you earn on Divergence in the comments. I won't say goodbye for long. I will be back very soon.